It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Friday, the 5th of February. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather stays dry through the weekend. Pretty good cold shot next week, but it looks like the cold air will not stay long. And what about the chance of snow flurries with that cold air? Let's take a look at things. Water vapor satellite view. Troughing developing west of the state over Texas, but we are in a very dry air mass. Highs so far, as of about 3 o'clock, right around 50 in most spots. Birmingham's high 50. We'll expect low 50s tomorrow and mid to upper 50s on Sunday. Around the nation, temperatures fairly seasonal, but very cold air developing in central Canada that will be dropping south early next week. And we'll feel that by Tuesday. On the watch warning map, still winter storm warnings in effect for parts of the New England coast, including Boston. High wind warnings for parts of Montana and the Dakotas. Other than that, things relatively quiet. And really not much precipitation here for the next 5 days. This is valid through Wednesday evening of next week. Most of Alabama dry. You see some green up over the northern quarter of the state. That would be in the form of sprinkles or snow flurries early next week, but it certainly doesn't look like a big deal at this point. All right, model fans, here we go. The GFS, this is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at noon at 500 millibars. Pretty good trough axis rolling through here, but the air is dry. That might bring some scattered clouds. We'll call it partly sunny tomorrow. And again, the high should be in the low 50s in most spots. Both the NAM and the GFS are at 52. Sunday, a pretty impressive storm spins up off the South Atlantic coast, but we are dry. The sky mostly sunny with a high in the mid to upper 50s. Monday, here comes the first phase of the cold air. Clouds will increase. We'll have the chance of maybe some light rain Monday afternoon, maybe a few snow flurries Monday night, but traditionally with clippers, they don't create any impact. More a curiosity than anything else. And then on Tuesday, very high amplitude, western ridge, eastern trough. A very cold day. A good chance we stay in the 30s all day. Rather breezy, a chance of snow flurries. But again, just no impact. If any part of the state were to see some grassy areas white, that would be across high terrain over northeast Alabama, especially above about 1,800 feet. And again, the good news, Wednesday, we start to warm up. You know, a few days ago, it looked like we could stay below freezing all day Wednesday. Well, the cold air lifts out quickly. We'll be in the 20s Wednesday morning, but the high will be around 50 Wednesday afternoon. The sky will be sunny. Thursday, mid-50s. And this is a week from today, Friday the 12th. You got troughing over the northeast United States. And again, for us, we are dry, cool, 50s and 30s if that verifies. Here's the end of the forecast period, Monday the 15th. Kind of a weak zonal flow here. A weak front coming in from the north. That might squeeze out a shower or two, but generally speaking, things look fairly uneventful. Arctic oscillation goes negative out there at mid-month. And again, that's a sign that we could see not just the shot of cold air next week, but maybe another one down the line. Winter still got quite a ways to go. And the NAO tries to go negative as well, and that would open up the door for the colder air over the eastern half of the nation. And again, clearly we're going to feel that by Tuesday of next week. As you can see with the numbers, the ensemble here has a high Monday of 44, a high Tuesday of 39. And again, a chance of flurries with no impact. But then we warm up. In fact, the model spitting out 63 by the 20th. That'll feel pretty good if that happens to verify. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. My next video will be here Monday morning at 7 o'clock. Brian Peters, the man that looks like Colonel Sanders, will have the video updates tomorrow and Sunday. If you can catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, and God bless.